ज्यादा या कम? क्या है सही? What our body been trying to tell us? Namaste. Welcome to another soulful episode of Divine Drops by गीत। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एक ऐसे टॉपिक पर जिसके बारे में हर जिम ट्रेनर बोलते हैं, हर डाइटिशियन समझाते हैं, फिर भी हम सब कंफ्यूज रहते हैं। प्रोटीन कितना, कौन सा और कब? तो आज हमारे साथ है एक बहुत ही इंटेलिजेंट, इंसाइटफुल और कंपैशनेट न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट डॉक्टर शिल्पा वर्मा, जो हमें समझाएंगे द प्रोटीन पैराडॉक्स। वेलकम टू द शो। So, welcome to the show, Dr. Shilpa. Today we are discussing on the protein paradox. Let's start with the questions and everything. मुझे सिर्फ एक सिंपल चीज़ में पहले जानना है, प्रोटीन के बारे में आज इतना है एवरीवेयर, एंड जब हमें खुद को चूज़ करना है तो कहीं पर कंफ्यूजन आ जाता है कि ये कितना लेना है मुझे, और यूथ के लिए भी और सीनियर सिटीजन्स, क्या डज इट प्ले अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल कि ये दोनों का एक अलग, क्योंकि हमारे ज़माने में या हमारी दादी नानी इनके ज़माने में इट वाज नेवर लाइक दैट कि प्रोटीन ही लेना है। आज की जनरेशन, चाहे वो बच्चे हैं, यूथ है, ओल्डीज है, तो आप उसके बारे में क्या बताएंगे कि प्रोटीन क्या है, हाउ क्रूशियल इट इज़?
At the outset, thank you. Thank you for having me here. And this warm heart-to-heart conversation, I hope, leads to more education among people who are a part of your journey and your show, and such good thing that you're doing through your podcast.
Thank you so much.
So 2 questions that you asked me, right?
Yes, right.
One, what is it about protein? Okay. So I would like to say that we are a land as a nation where food is celebrated, right? चाहे कुछ भी हो, through our journey of life there is a celebration of food. But when it comes to health, वो consciousness है हमारे में is a question mark that I would want to ask everybody. Whether we are using food to heal, whether we are using food to celebrate health. Okay, there the role of protein is I think very paramount. Protein, वो जो word है, comes from the Greek word proteos, means of prime importance. So जो macronutrients है उसमें प्रोटीन प्राइम इम्पॉर्टेंट न्यूट्रिएंट है। हमारे स्किन, हेयर, मसल, हार्मोन, हीलिंग, सब कुछ प्रोटीन है, राइट? बट या समवेयर इन द वे वी ईट, प्रोटीन को उतना हम अभी समझ से, एजुकेशन से उसको लोगों तक पहुंचा पाए हैं। पहले वो नहीं था,
नॉलेज नहीं था,
नॉलेज नहीं था,
ओके,
एंड इवन इफ नॉलेज था वो ट्रांसलेटेड नहीं था। द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन दैट यू आस्क्ड मी इज वेदर only youth need it or elderly need it. Everybody needs it, right from birth to the days that you have, your golden years. You also asked whether पहले के टाइम में elderly कहाँ, मतलब किसी में भी वो प्रोटीन का इम्पोर्टेंस का स्टोरी नहीं था। As a nation, we are one of the nations जहाँ, because of maybe the primary care that is getting better, the health care that is getting better, we are seeing longevity. Okay, so in the coming years we are going to have a massive elderly population. Okay, so वो aging process से भी जा रहा है वो individual, right? जहाँ muscle loss, bone loss, whatever, because of the aging process भी है। अभी आप सोचो ये elongated process है, right? पहले के टाइम में yes, ऐसा नहीं था कि फूड में ये प्रोटीन, ये वो, whatever they would get. But if we look at history of India, we are more an agricultural nation. So there was a lot of physical activity that was, around us.
Right.
even the elderly, everybody was physically active. गांव के लोग भी गांव में मिलते थे, right? रात को evening में they would gather together. So there were a lot of people around. There was a happiness quotient around, right? People had animals at home. You were, access to milk and milk products, access to nature, access to having, your crops grown. So उधर आपको वो lentil, pulses, grains सब कुछ मिल जाता था.
जी.
So it was more focus on balance and the way physically they were active. If we compare a 50-year-old that time, जो harness लेके they could plow their field, and compare a 50-year-old now, we can't do it.
Vast difference.
Right? So muscle maintained, because it was active life, muscle was maintained for long. The muscle function was maintained for long. Now the problem is because sedentary, plus if we see the joint family system is also not there.
Right.
Individual partners, right? Individual families. Children have migrated or living separately. Now this elderly couple, if we consider, are alone by themselves.
No
Right?
activity.
No activity, no source of grandchildren running or cousins being there. Even if it's a Diwali, if the partner and you are together, it's a small
celebration.
Small
is there.
celebration. So around food also, things like you cooking once and eating twice, right?
True.
Or if the other partner is not there,
Like
through
a single.
aging, you're a single
Right.
person living, still becomes difficult. So mentally, emotionally, physically, it's not a happy situation.
Right.
So they go through something called sarcopenia. Okay. So in India, we have this, so in Asia, for example, we have this paradox of weight. So for a given weight, if we compare, say, for example, the European counterpart, okay, so at 60 kgs, there would be more muscle. At 60 kgs, we would be, because of the genetic story, a little more stomach, little less muscle. That leads to metabolic issues that we as a nation and as a population face. Hence, we need to be more, aware of it. We need to be more working towards prevention of that.
So, as you said, awareness plays a very important role for this,
Extremely important.
right? And as you said, कि जितने उस टाइम पे मेहनत थी, फिजिकल मेहनत, आज भी people are doing it. They are very hard working, no doubt about it. But that is more mentally.
True.
So somewhere all these things is mattering, and that's the reason where protein is being neglected, and this kind of knowledge is very, very important to our
Sure.
new generation, because the people who are becoming senior citizens, aging, उन लोगों के लिए ये उनको नहीं पता कि करना क्या है. अब
Exactly.
they are in that question mark situation. जिम जाऊं, योगा करूं, प्रोटीन लूं, ये they are confused. Very beautifully explained, Dr. Shilpa, very beautifully. I mean, आपने जो जीरो से स्टार्ट करके बताया. Let's go to the next question. आज इंडिया में जैसे सबसे पहले प्रोटीन का जैसे अगर आपने जिक्र किया है, तो उसमें अगेन कंफ्यूजन इज देयर कि ओवर कंजम्पशन, अंडर कंजम्पशन, या किसी का कोई सोर्स जिसने मुझे बता दिया कि भाई तुझे तो लेना ही है. रॉन्ग सोर्स भी प्लेज इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. सो
True. So, very recently, there was this very big study. Okay, 36 states में ये study हुई है. ICMR की इंडिया स्टडी जिसे बोलते हैं 2024. उसमें it was very well described, and this was because it was a pan-India study. It's a very good reference for us to understand. It was seen that 62 to 65% of normal consumption of our meals is cereal based. Okay, 12% ही प्रोटीन से आता है. Okay, अगर मैं उसको सिंप्लीफाई करूँ और वर्ल्ड से कंपेयर करूँ, तो से जापान में 20% ऑफ द डेली इनटेक इज फ्रॉम प्रोटीन. इफ वी कंपेयर यूएस, 16 to 18% is from protein. But in India, we are 12. Okay, and as a population we are massive, one of the largest population now that we are moving towards. So that 12% is very, very questionable, okay, when it comes to your metabolic health, right? Second, there was this again another study जिसे protein first study कहते हैं, तो उसमें they questioned the mothers, okay, an ex population of mothers were questioned. There are so many unfortunate myths around it. For example, 60% or 70% of those mothers felt that protein से वजन बढ़ेगा, right? So they fed their kids more of carb, but probably it was carb that was causing more weight gain, and a nutrient that would support growth, that would support muscular health, that could support more of your metabolic health was given less. और some feel no, milk दे दिया मतलब प्रोटीन आ गया दिन का, okay, और even a story around it कि प्रोटीन costly है, okay, but say one packet of biscuit is 20 rupees compared to an egg that would be say 10 rupees or 20 rupees depending on the metropolis and depending on from where you are sourcing it. The protein content say of a biscuit would be 2%, बट अंडा आपको 5-6% दे रहा है. सो ऑप्शंस है, राइट,
लेकिन वो समझ नहीं,
वो समझ एंड वो इंडल्जेंस हमें किस चीज में देना है, इवन फॉर चिल्ड्रन, वो मे बी इवन एट द लेवल ऑफ द मदरहुड, if we can teach them that.
So I would like to ask you on this only, like a mother's newly mother, I mean जिनका बेबी अभी just born हुआ है, so milk is there definitely, जो first month, second month, 3 month जो भी उनका है, and the protein kind of a thing should be given right at that age, you mean to say कि उनका किस type से वो food जाना चाहिए?
So first 6 months we advise only breastfeeding because the gut of the newborn is developing. The nutrients that are required for that that baby to thrive are all there in mother's milk, right from bonding, emotions, everything. So only breastfeed. Once they reach complementary feeding, okay, we do say that start from foods that are easily digestible. So for example, you start with a carb food, which is your rice, okay, because here we want the gut to accept the complementary feeds. Right. Of course, the breastfeeding is continued, which should be for at least a year and maybe 2 years, but that it is not that the breastfeed is stopped. Then comes your dals, okay, so it has to be gradual, but it is not that it is not introduced. By 1 year, that baby is eating the normal food as the family eats, right? So first, as a family, are you eating right or wrong is important.
That is true.
Because
आप ही गलत खा रहे हो,
exactly,
and then you expect that your child is not eating
and
properly.
then pushing only protein to that child is not going to work.
I would also suggest, I mean, all the newly mothers, Dr. Shilpa से please concern कीजिए where exactly what you needed for your babies to start the protein, carb, whatever nutrient, first you have it and then have it for your babies also. Let's go to the next question, ma'am. बहुत लोगों का कहना है कि again it may be a myth also, प्रोटीन ले लिया है पर उससे गट इशू भी हो जाता है, ब्लोटिंग इशू भी हो जाता है. सो इज इट अ मिथ या क्या है? किसी किसी को सूट भी नहीं करता है, सो किसी ने कह दिया उसने खा लिया, किसी ने कितना क्वांटिटी लेना है, कहाँ पे जाके ये एक प्रॉपर गाइडलाइंस दे पाएंगे आप?
सो आई वुड से प्रोटीन को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कीजिए थ्रू योर मील्स, ओके. Say for example 20 in breakfast, 20 in lunch, 20 in dinner. You are giving your body enough to digest.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner, 20, 20, 20.
So आपको 60 gram protein, I'm just talking in general to meet the 0.8 gram to 1 gram protein per kg per day का requirement. don't do it in one meal together.
सारा एक, because I eat maybe one time or 2 times in a day, तो सारे एक ही टाइम डाल के खा लिया.
Sometimes that could cause. Also, sometimes it's not the protein. Okay, sometimes it is even how well you're hydrating yourself. हम दिन भर पानी नहीं पी रहे and we think things are going to digest well. No. Also, for your protein digestion, there are some requirements of micronutrients and macronutrients. Right? Your B group of vitamins play an important role in how well your food, okay, absorbs and converts carbohydrate and protein to energy.
Right.
If those deficiencies are around. Also, yes, there could be some food intolerances which can happen even through your growing years. Okay, so some people may not digest dals well, some may not digest, say for example, rajma or chole, they feel bloated around it. So, how well you are cooking, how well you are soaking it, then cooking it, okay, which meal of the day you are taking it, what is there enough fiber in your diet to have that good gut cleansing, all that is important.
So, as you said it, राजमा है, छोले है, रात को भिगा दो, नहीं भिगाओ. Now in India, there are different states, different variation is there of food.
Yes.
So people might get confused also कि अगर हम पंजाब में हैं तो राजमा छोले is must. हम साउथ में हैं तो there is इडली, डोसा and all. हर टाइप के फूड है. सो इनमें प्रोटीन हम कैसे ये करें, लाइक ईस्ट है या वेस्ट है, तो किस टाइप का एक सिंपल खाना भी चाहे कहीं पर भी रहो तो आपकी प्लेट में क्या ज़रूरी होना चाहिए, या ये नहीं है तो अगर प्रोटीन पाउडर भी ले रहे हैं तो इज इट. अगेन मेरा 2 क्वेश्चन आपको साथ में आ रहा है. You'll say, Geet, again, you are making me confused for this thing. But let it make it very simple. पहली आपकी प्लेट में क्या होना चाहिए, और दूसरा कि क्या ये पाउडर इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है.
Okay. So, whichever state you are in, each state has its sauce, whether it's a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian. Okay. Say you are in the northeast, you have more, Calcutta, you have more
Rice, fish.
rice, fish, everything. And if you are in the west or you are in the south, each state will have its, and whether you are a vegetarian, non-vegetarian. We talk more in terms of the vegetarian story because as a nation, 70% of us
Definitely.
are vegetarian. Even if non-vegetarian, non-veg food is not a component of all meals.
Right.
There are a lot of religious followings, so certain days you eat, don't eat. So eventually it gets
80
to
to
3 meals.
90% people are फेस्टिवल आ गया, कोई ये तो फास्टिंग हो रहा है उसमें, they don't
Exactly.
eat this type of.
Right, so eventually on an average 3 meal in a week jata hai.
True.
Right, so we stick to the vegetarian story. So for vegetarian protein, we have your dals, we have your pulses, we have even soya as a good source of protein, we have milk and milk products, your low fat paneer can be a good source of protein. So the thing is that, as I said before, if we can distribute the protein, okay, so for example, if we are talking about breakfast, so of course in a non-vegetarian, egg becomes a easy way to have that protein.
Right.
If you are a vegetarian, okay, maybe say if you're making poha, in that poha you add some chana, cooked chana, you add some vegetables.
In egg. You mean.
No, in poha.
Poha. Okay.
As a vegetarian breakfast.
Okay.
So this
Not
will
only
include
poha,
not
little
only
bit
just
veggies
your
inside.
carb, but add that little protein.
Right.
Okay, in your lunch, for example, where you are having your roti, dal, sabji, okay, maybe consuming 2 portions of dal or adding dal with a paneer sabji and a vegetable sabji with your salad and minimizing that quantity of that roti, because many a times what happens is roti to do chahiye. Okay, we do not eat like Westerners where they are eating their salads and then they are
Right.
eating their protein.
We need our rice and we need our rotis.
For us, our carb is, so your rice and roti is the main dish.
Right.
Rest of it is an accompaniment.
Right.
अच्छी वाली सब्जी है, we may increase it. What
थोड़ी ऐसी नहीं
ऐसी
पसंद
वैसी
है।
है तो we will not, we'll skip it.
हाँ, कई बच्चे तो छोड़ ही देते हैं,
Exactly,
mamas
it's
have to make it in their parathas and
Yes.
all those things.
Right. So
No.
for us, main dish is your rice and roti, your ka. Problem is not your cereals, which is your rice or roti or your jawar or whatever. That's not the problem. Issue is they have, say, around 55 to 57% of protein availability in them. Okay. So, for example, for a bowl of dal, if there is 8 grams of protein, there is also 12 grams of carbohydrate, plus that 8 grams is not completely available. Okay, hence maybe adding a curd, maybe adding paneer, maybe adding soya. Okay,
So
this makes it more wholesome. This gives us also in vegetarian protein, there is something called complementary protein. So maybe a chicken or an egg will have all 8 amino acids which are 100% available. इसको हम PDCAS ratios बोलते हैं. वो how much is the protein digestibility score. Okay, so egg में पूरा होता है. But say for example your dal will lack from that 8 जिसको हम essential amino acids कहते हैं. Maybe it would lack say methionine जो हमको रोटी से मिलता है या चावल से मिलता है. ओके, चावल विल लैक 1 जो हमें ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट करेगा. हेंस द इंडियन थाली इज अ कॉम्प्लीमेंटेड स्टोरी.
very true. I mean, you have everything, even a sweet is added in that.
यस, वो भी इट वॉज टू लोअर द pH एंड गेट द your enzymes activated.
Activated.
But which kind of sweet? What sweet
It's an important role.
plays an important role.
So, as you were saying this, मेरे पास ना एक कोई बंदा आया था जिसको ना हमेशा एक फियर रहता था. तो वो हमेशा मुझे कहता था कि जैसे ना अभी मैंने हैवी लंच कर लिया है, अभी लेट मी सिट प्रॉपरली क्योंकि एक आधा घंटा लगेगा उसको डाइजेस्ट होने को, या रात में सोने से पहले भी डिनर कर लिया है, वो अभी आई कांट लाई डाउन क्योंकि मेरे गट को इट टेक्स टाइम टू दिस थिंग. तो इज इट अ मिथ या इज इट वेरी ट्रू? क्योंकि कई लोगों को तो ऐसा देखा है, लक्कड़ हजम पत्थर हजम, कुछ भी खा लिया वो हजम हो गया. पर आज की जनरेशन के हिसाब से उनको हजम करने के लिए भी दे हैव टू सिट, दे हैव टू कीप देयर माइंड, दे हैव टू वॉक, दे हैव टू टेक सो मेनी केयर क्योंकि वो डाइजेस्ट हो रहा है, देन ओनली आई कैन गो एंड स्लीप. तो ये क्या एक
So of course the yoga asanas
राइट
okay play an important role here, which is lots forgotten, right? The certain poses which does help to have your digestion better. Having said that, today in the world of technology, TV is going on, or you are on your mobile or iPads watching something, right? And eating. Okay?
Right.
It is said you eat through all your 5 senses. Then your digestive juices get better. Now we are not even chewing that much. Right? Before 100 years के अपने ही लोगों के jaw देखे and अपने देखे बहुत difference हो गया. If you are not chewing your food well, your carbohydrate metabolism actually starts with your salivary juices.
ट्रू.
Okay? हमने chew नहीं किया, हमने gulp down कर लिया. Right? Your bloating story starts probably even there.
Right.
Okay? You're not chewing it well. You're not eating it through your senses. You're just gulping down the food. And intolerances also of food is there. A lot of it because of also the over consumption, chronic consumption of ultra processed foods. Even your circadian rhythm plays an important role. How well you are sleeping. Okay, this generation probably sleeps around 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. So there are certain enzymes, okay, and hormones that are secreted from say 10 o'clock in the night to morning 6 o'clock. Then there is certain thing that is secreted from 6 o'clock in the morning to night 10 o'clock. Now I'm sleeping only at 2. I have not allowed complete secretion of the hormones and the enzymes that help my digestion.
So, as you said, Parents plays a very important role in this child sleeping time, because as a baby who's born, he has his one pattern. As he grows, again a different pattern, maybe school days, college, and then totally different pattern. So all these things definitely plays an important role, because of your, maybe your working time, your thing, eating food. When you are in the office or something, you don't even get time, sometimes your work pressure is so much, so just having it.
It does, but it is, again, here also it is a paradox. Your work environment, your shift timings, your travel, everything. So this generation, I think, takes a lot more on their shoulders.
Right.
Through that, they have to find the balance.
Yeah, and somewhere not to neglect their water intake.
Yes.
And their sleep.
And chewing.
Chewing, very true.
Very
So
important.
definitely
10 minutes, you are done with your
हाँ,
food.
खाना जब भी खाओ उसको अच्छे से चबा के, उसको फील करके, ग्रेटफुल करके, आई थिंक यू शुड हैव इट. ये नहीं है कि बस बना है, गरम है, ये है, एंड गल्प इट, एंड दैट्स नॉट द राइट वे. सो लेट्स कम बैक टू द नेक्स्ट दिस थिंग. वेजिटेरियन लोगों के लिए, एज यू वर सेइंग ऑल अबाउट के, लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट इट. तो उनके लिए जैसे ये प्रैक्टिकल प्रोटीन ऑप्शंस होता है, बिना सप्लीमेंट्स के लिए, इज इट ओके इफ दे डोंट टेक अ सप्लीमेंट? इज इट फाइन?
It can work. Okay, if you plan your meal wholesomely, and I said if you're mindful, you're adding protein sources. Okay, you can. If in a healthy young individual, if it's well planned, they can meet their requirements through their meals.
But nowadays,
But-
like, sorry, I'm sorry, you please
No.
continue.
But somebody who's very more active, sports people, okay, their need for protein increases. From 0.8, it goes to 1.2. A growing child, it is not just for maintenance, but for growth also they need. A pregnant woman, okay, she will need more. Somebody who is sick, intake उतना नहीं है.
एक्स्ट्रा
Okay.
बूस्ट के लिए.
एक्स्ट्रा बूस्ट के लिए इनटेक ही नहीं है. दे कैन बेयरली ईट 1 मील इन अ डे. ओके, उसमें प्रोटीन किधर से आने वाला है, राइट? यू नीड टू बैलेंस अदर न्यूट्रिएंट्स ऑल्सो. इन एल्डरली, dentition issues, lot other issues, intolerance issues, then supplements definitely become a good support system in which you meet the daily requirement.
आज अगर ये प्रोटीन जो बॉक्स, बड़े बड़े डब्बे आते हैं, लेट्स डिस्कस ऑन दैट ऑल्सो.
Yes,
जिम
sure.
में या सब, कई जगहों पे कंफ्यूजन अगेन. चिल्ड्रन हु आर इन देयर 14, आई वुड से स्कूल बॉयज, they want to have their good build, they want to have their good personality. जिम जाना ही है. जैसे बॉयज के लिए तो वो मैंडेटरी हो गया है, 13 to 18 एक एज में जाना ही है. एंड देन दे स्टार्ट टेकिंग प्रोटीन, कहीं पेरेंट्स से छुप के, कहीं जिम इंस्ट्रक्टर से पूछ के, कहीं कुछ. आप क्या सजेस्ट करेंगे कि क्या राइट वे है? इट्स दैट्स द एज दे नीड इट, या जिम में वो सिर्फ प्रोटीन पाउडर ही उनके मसल्स एंड बाइसेप्स एंड ट्राइसेप्स बना देंगे, या कैसे क्या करना है?
So it's a very vulnerable age, right? They want to look good.
यस.
Okay, so for them, any which way I look good, I look presentable, and
It's a peer pressure
peer
also,
pressure.
no?
Absolutely. So it works on their confidence also.
यस.
I would say it's like a two-way sword. Okay, one, yes, it's a very good way in which they start building their muscles. Okay, which will go a long way in their metabolic journey as they age. Okay, so yes, we need to harness that, right? Not just gym. This is the age group where they are into academics. So lot of, I think, communication from the school to have systems around sports, because it not just helps you build your bone and your muscle, but also helps in the cognitive development.
राइट.
Right? Having said that okay, ये लोग जिम ही जाते हैं. Okay, now their need from 0.8 has suddenly become 1. If they can eat their meals well, still they would be able to meet that requirement. If they are not meeting that need well, okay, when a person is into fitness and into gymming, every time, for example, they are lifting weights, there is some wear and tear. You need to fuel that wear and tear also. Okay, protein is not for bulking. Protein is for repair. What time of the day they are taking? How much are they taking? Are they over exceeding their requirement? Okay, there comes in the role of your physician, your dietitian, not just your trainer. Trainer will train you
Right.
in a way in which your form is good, your stretches are good, how well you are lifting, how well you can lift more.
Right.
How to meet it nutritionally, you individually need to sit across.
Understand that. I think
Exactly.
this can be.
And the whys.
Yes.
Okay, why are you taking this protein? I think that is more important than just pumping in the protein.
I think that's what I feel as a teacher. Okay, this should be a topic, a subject
Absolutely.
for
Even
the,
in schools.
right, so that all boys, all girls, I would say, they know what exactly. Just going blindly and taking it, and because I want to look good and all, that is not the right way. That has to be some. They should be educated for this.
True.
Subject could be there.
True.
Where children, they want to take this subject, they want to understand their nutritious thing, their training thing, whatever it may be, and they can understand it in a better way.
Yes, I had this young boy of 16 years who was into gymming, and he had stopped all carbs. Okay, so, and that fear. No, if I will eat rice at night, I've had it. Or my mom pushes me for roti and I don't want to. And the mother had got the child only for him to understand. Right? Now, when we are talking macro, okay, which is your carb, protein and fat, we are saying they are macronutrients. Matlab, they are nutrients that are required in sufficient quantity for you to thrive. So your carbohydrate is as important as is your protein. Problem is, now when the conversations around protein is happening, it is that you match it to the requirement. It is not you replace it.
Right.
We are a carb loving nation. So हमारा plate full of carb है, उसको हमको reduce करके we need to उसको proportionately protein जहाँ जो deficient है उसको कैसे भरे. रिप्लेस नहीं करना है कि मॉर्निंग में मैंने 6 अंडे खाए, फिर मैंने सिर्फ चिकन खाया और फिर रात को मैंने सिर्फ चिकन खाया. बैलेंस नहीं हो पाएगा. कॉग्निशन नहीं है. ही वॉज स्टार्टिंग टू गेट हेडेक्स. His pressure had started getting haywire, and even concentration was suffering. He was suffering, like snappiness was coming up.
Some kind of a deficiency come later on, maybe
It
after 2
comes
years,
later
3
on.
years or
because
something.
your balanced plate, your fiber, gut issues नहीं तो आएंगे, motility issues आएंगे.
Yes, that's what I've seen one person like who was obese because overeating, नहीं care किया, अपना पूरा ध्यान सिर्फ खाना पीना, पिज्जा आ रहा है, बर्गर्स आ रहे हैं, ये वो, whatever it may be. But later on when he realized कि yes मुझे ये करना है, I have to maintain it. And suddenly comes to that one diet कि मुझे सिर्फ lunch ही करना है. Then whole day I'm not going to. Is that also
man.
right?
Yeah. So we have trends. Okay. As I said first, food तो is celebrated. Right? And food के आजू बाजू trends है. There is a whole industry that thrives on this trend. Right? That's where our judgment comes into picture. Right from so much information that comes from media, from various sources of media. We need to understand and pick the right story. Right? These trends, all these last 4-5 years, फिर चले जाते हैं. Not that they don't work. They don't work in everybody. Right? Are you a candidate for this kind of trend? Is this something that supports my long-term health?
And are you consistent also?
Yeah, are you going to be consistent on this kind of a...
Maybe मैंने आपको देख के मैंने शुरू कर दिया है.
That's
But
the problem.
maybe you are a totally different personality.
That one meal. Is that meal balanced? Is that meal providing me with all the nutrients I need to thrive? So nutrition now should also be looked from the glasses of, I would say, preventive healthcare.
Right.
Okay, not just some trend, not just some fad where you're doing it for a couple of kilos. Your weight is one parameter of health, not the parameter of your overall health.
Right.
Okay, I have patients. So in women in India, 60 to 70% women are anemic. Okay, and then there is an industry which needs you to look the way you need to, and nothing wrong. That industry is for entertainment. We all get whatever good we get out of it, but there are certain protocols, certain other jobs where you need to be a certain weight. You need to be understanding that today I will do this, 6 months I will do this, what about 6 years? So that long term thought process of how I take care of myself. Okay, how is my food helping me thrive? How is it going to prevent me to be, more energetic as age comes by, to take on more work, not fall sick and then have, then there is emotional breakdowns that happen. Everything goes for a toss.
We are in that journey where definitely all these things plays important role. I mean, whatever you do it has to be something which you can do it forever. Break आ गया, you cannot do anything for lifelong. कहीं ना कहीं वो falls आने ही हैं. So whatever you do it, whether it is gymming, whether it is your diet, are you going to follow that consistently? That plays a very, very important role. Am I right? I think we have covered almost everything. Let's have one small game kind of a thing, a rapid round fire question type of for you. Ma'am, one word may answer, or you can make it one sentence also, no worries. One myth you feel everyone stops believing.
Protein is for bodybuilder. राइट
Right.
वो बॉडी बिल्डर का न्यूट्रिएंट सिर्फ नहीं है, वो न्यूट्रिएंट आपके मसल, आपके हेल्थ, आपके स्किन, आपके एंजाइम्स, हार्मोन्स, सबको लेके, सो वो सर्वाइवल न्यूट्रिएंट है.
क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि कई लोगों को जब हम प्रोटीन वर्ड कहते हैं ना, तो उनके सामने वो बड़ा सा डब्बा आ जाता है कि प्रोटीन मतलब ये प्रोटीन लिया है. तो इट्स अ ट्रीटमेंट, इट्स नॉट अ कंप्लीट दिस थिंग. One desi food that's secretly a protein power in every house.
It could be, say for example, as simple as a sattu.
Sattu. Okay.
Right? Used traditionally in the north forever.
आप थोड़ा सा elaborate करके बता दो, like what exactly is sattu?
This is roasted chana flour.
Okay.
Okay. You could add to maybe your buttermilk.
Okay.
Right? You could add it to your roti flour.
Okay.
Right?
So this
Your गेहूं
के
के आटे में. So somehow you could enhance the protein content of your daily meals.
So पहले के ज़माने में जैसे डॉक्टर शिल्पा देख रहे, चना सिंग ऐसे रास्ते पे चने वाले बैठे होते, they used to just have it.
Yes.
कुछ नहीं है तो बस यही खा के निकल गए.
That was. So availability of food was a question, no? अभी जितना पैकेज फूड्स मिलता है तभी नहीं मिलता था. So this would become, a way in which they could
have it. Protein shakes daily habit or it's a marketing trap?
No, I would not say it is a marketing trap totally. Of course, that industry is there. But if you need it, you take it. Food first. Whole foods first. There is no two thoughts about it. But if you're not meeting your requirement, this could be one way in which you meet your requirement. Okay? But which protein to take? When to take? The protein timing, the protein quantity, the protein quality, all that you need to understand from your nutritionist. Then it will help you in your journey. And then those issues, of say maybe bloating or is overconsumption happening, which unfortunately I would say is not happening. Or fortunately I would say is not happening, because to meet that 1 gram Okay, you really need to eat a lot of. So you need to understand the quality which could be distributed through the day for you to meet, for you to not feel mundane around food. नहीं तो वही चीज ओके 15 दिन चिकन खा लिया फिर देन यू डोंट इवन वांट टू लुक एट चिकन सो यू मन भर जाता है राइट सो इफ इट्स अ लिटिल प्लान थिंग you know your interest in food, your desire to eat, okay, is also fulfilled.
एक चीज और बताऊं कि पहले तो लाइक हमारे सबके घर में लाइक दाल चावल सब्जी यही बनती थी. कोई ओकेशन हो, संडेज हो या कुछ हो तो मे बी कुछ खीर बन गई या कुछ ऐसे है, तब जाके वो वेरिए. पर आज अगर मुझे चाहिए तो मैं आज भी बना लूं, कल भी बना लूं. आज वो खाने का वो नहीं रहा.
टेक्नोलॉजी
यूट्यूब में, इंस्टा पे अगर मुझे कुछ दिख जाता है यार ये ऐसे बना है, चलो आज तो मैं अभी ये फटाफट यही बनाऊंगी, ऐसे भी हो जा रहा है. ओके, फॉर मसल बिल्डिंग जिम फर्स्ट और किचन फर्स्ट?
both together. Of course, your kitchen first, okay? Right from cooking methodologies to your food choices to your availability to how your family eats, okay? Very important. But for your muscle to be developed, for you to maintain your muscle, of course, your gym and your resistance exercises play a very, very important role. So they go hand in hand. One cannot replace the other. We may be eating the best of food and not exercising. Okay? You're not going to build nor maintain. Okay? You're only going to the gym and not eating in the right way. Okay? You're not proportionating your build with more repair. You're not proportionating your build with maintenance. And definitely the metabolic health. So for metabolic health, okay, so your body is like in a dialogue, okay, every single day. It's your dialogue between what you're eating and your genetic makeup. It's your dialogue between what you're eating and how well you exercise, right? It's your dialogue between what you feel for yourself and your environment. It's your dialogue between your health and what you can give back to the society. So if you as an individual are not healthy, you are not translating all.
You can't do that. Sometimes you feel your food is so good and everything, you start overeating. Maybe हम शादियों पे जा रहे हैं या हम कोई बुफे लंच या डिनर ले रहे हैं. We don't know to control ourselves. अच्छा ये भी ले लेते हैं, वो भी ले लेते हैं, and then you are exhausted. You can feel you become breathless too.
Because of overeating, no? And then your whole energies, okay, I would say. So there's something called thermic effect of food. So to put it simply, the whole body energy is then only going into digestion. So you will start feeling sluggish, your brain starts feeling sluggish.
Some people, they feel breathless also, like इतना खा लिया है कि अब तो मुझसे कुछ भी नहीं होगा, I just want to rest.
That's overindulgence and eating more high fat foods, that will make you more sluggish. Then your body does not want you to do any other thing because उसको तो पूरा energy
आपका पूरा mind उसमें चला गया है कि कैसे. One famous food trend that's actually harmful, which is going in a trend, like
only proteins for meals, no carb. So that zero carb thing is also not going to help you in the long run.
If you could give one protein tip to Indians, like what would it be?
Make protein first, I would say. First thing that you try to get into all your meals. Okay, so the way you eat also is important. Why we say we eat our salad first, or why we say we do our protein first, then go to the carbohydrate, because it helps in satiety. Okay, and without thinking more, your portion for carbohydrate is also reducing. Okay, we have lovely, so as an agricultural nation, we have lovely millets, we have all the best of carbs that are available to us, right? So of course a carb needs to be the part of the meal, but start with your fibers, start with your protein first, then whatever remains for your hunger is your choose, not the other way around.
One last question. Yes, like when you are traveling, it becomes very difficult. maybe not only traveling for like a tourist or this thing, but even people who are working, traveling maybe for an hour or 2 hours for their work and everything. What is very handy which they should keep it in their bag, like something maybe with dry fruits kind of a thing,
Yeah,
or
yeah.
whatever. Nowadays you get it in a sachet also. You just have it one this thing and it's good. What exactly?
So you could have your, as we spoke, your chana peanuts. You could have your, you get the diskettes. Okay, they are also different kind of diskettes. Give you, say,
Some
look
kind of
for
energy type.
yeah. So they are, you get multi-millet diskettes with enough protein. So one diskette could give you right from 1.4 to 2 gram of protein. So even if you're putting two, you are getting, you know, two or three, you're getting equivalent of an egg with a millet sauce. So you could do that. You could even do, as you said, your mixed dry fruits. But again, dry fruits also need to be mindful because they are source of hidden fat, right? So how much of it have you had through the day? And handful means itna sara nahi, just that little mix of it, which dry fruit you're having is
टेम्पटेशन हो जाती है ना मैम, ये अच्छा लग रहा है तो थोड़ा सा और ले लें थोड़ा.
milk, or you know, you could do a coconut water, right? These are the ways in which you keep your hydration also, and you keep your protein and your snacking and your taste buds in place.
As you said, this coconut water and buttermilk. I was traveling and I met somebody, at one of my very close friend, and she gave me a water which was with cinnamon powder and I don't know, some kind of a this thing. So nowadays people, you know, they have their bottles in that maybe a lemon is there or mint is there. So how useful it is, or is it a trend because you are carrying it, even I should carry it? Maybe I can do it for 1 day or 2 day. But what type of water is really needed? Just a plain water is enough?
Water is elixir for life, right?
Right.
You need to hydrate well. Your 70% of the body is water, right? Having said that, if plain water is not very happy feeling for you, which should not be, but it is,
It is.
flavored water can go a long way, okay, as long as you drink water, okay.
But
And
again-
some of it can have some functional impact.
Okay. Maybe as a guest you have come, so you can have it, or maybe
Maybe, you
But
know, your
water
lemon
is
water
water.
is helping you, not only providing vitamin C, but helps with your pH, helps with your digestion, your mint and lemon, okay.
Right.
So yeah, so certain kind of waters could have certain functional effect, but drink water.
Thank you, Dr. Shilpa, for simplifying something that most of us have complicated. आज हम समझ गए कि प्रोटीन सिर्फ बॉडी का फ्यूल नहीं, बल्कि हर सेल की लैंग्वेज है. जब हम उसे इग्नोर करते हैं, हम अपने एग्जिस्टेंस से डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाते हैं. सो लेट्स प्रॉमिस not to eat more, but to eat right, because the real strength does not just come from muscles, it comes from awareness. Tell us in the comments what's your biggest confusion about protein quantity, source, or timing. Let's discuss below. A paradox is the truth hiding behind an illusion. Namaste.